Let's delve into the topic of synchronization in Selenium, focusing on explicit waits and other advanced techniques using JavaScript. When automating web applications, one of the most common challenges testers face is dealing with elements that might not be immediately available or in the desired state. This is where synchronization techniques come into play. Today, we'll dive deep into explicit waits and other advanced synchronization methods in Selenium using JavaScript. Explicit waits are used to instruct the WebDriver to pause the execution until a certain condition is met, or until a specified timeout occurs. In this code, WebDriver will wait up to 5 seconds for the element with the ID, some ID, to be present. If the element is found within the time frame, it will proceed, otherwise, a timeout exception will be thrown. Selenium provides a set of predefined conditions that can be used with explicit waits. Some of the commonly used ones include: element located, waits for an element to be located. Element is visible, waits for an element to be visible. Element is enabled, waits for an element to be enabled. Element is not visible, waits for an element to be hidden or not displayed. Element is disabled, waits for an element to be disabled. While Selenium provides a set of built-in expected conditions, there might be scenarios where you need a custom condition tailored to your application's behavior. Here, we've defined a custom expected condition element as text that waits for an element to contain a specific text. In this example, WebDriver will check for the presence of dynamic element every 500 milliseconds until the element is found or until 10 seconds have passed. Fluent wait is a type of explicit wait that allows you to specify the polling frequency to check the condition. In this example, WebDriver will check for the presence of dynamic element every 500 milliseconds until the element is found or until 10 seconds have passed. While not recommended for regular use due to its static nature, sleep can be used in scenarios where a fixed delay is needed, especially during debugging. Modern web applications frequently use AJAX to fetch and display data dynamically. Handling AJAX calls requires advanced synchronization techniques. One approach is to wait for the active AJAX calls to complete. If you're using jQuery for AJAX, this code waits until there are no active jQuery AJAX calls. Synchronization is a critical aspect of Selenium automation. Proper synchronization ensures stability and reliability in your test scripts. By mastering explicit waits and other advanced techniques, you can handle dynamic web elements and scenarios effectively, making your automation scripts robust against the ever-evolving web technologies.